Guys, how are we doing today? Today I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to do a crochet rose. I don't know if you can see that fairly well. I always have trouble trying to figure out where the camera's at. But anyways, please forgive me about that. Go ahead and show you how to do this rose. It's fairly simple. I went ahead and did a chain 30. Next you will go ahead and go into the second stitch from the hook. Go yarn over, and then in that second stitch I did a half double crochet. You pull it through, you'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and then you pull through all 3 loops. That's your basic half double crochet. Now what the trick is you do it 3 times in each stitch. Now in a couple instances I noticed that I had accidentally skipped a stitch. Don't panic, you'll be fine. It'll still turn out exactly the same way. So try not to be too hard on yourself. I'm the type of people that like to do that. I'm such a perfectionist, it's ridiculous. Okay, again we'll do the half double crochet. It's yarn over, and then we go into the next stitch, pull the yarn through, 3 loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay, do the same thing 2 more times in that same stitch. If you hear any noise in the background, I have no control over it. I am outside. It's lovely in the state of Florida. We are 68 degrees today. We don't get very much cool weather, unfortunately, so I'm outside taking advantage of it because I love it when it's cool. It's so refreshing. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. You just continue and go throughout the rest of the chains by doing a half double crochet, 3 of them all together. Let me see if I did the 3 in there. No, I only did 2. Okay, as you can see as I'm doing this, it is starting to curl up. That's what you want it to do. That's the purpose in doing 3 half double crochets into the chain. I haven't done one with single crochet or double crochet, so I really couldn't tell you if you get the same effect. I want to say you do, but all I can say is give it a try one day and just make sure you do 3 in the same stitch, so this way it has that effect where it starts curling. See how it's curling up? Isn't that neat? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and continue on. Hopefully I won't be too much of a chatterbox. Okay, as you can see, is twisting and turning into like a little curly Q, I guess you want to call it. That's exactly how you're wanting it to be. Okay, I have 3 more stitches left, and I will go ahead and show you how I made it shape into an actual rose itself. You know, I neglected to tell you the size hook I used for this tutorial. That it is a basic I hook, 5.5 millimeter. You can use any hook as you choose. It will vary. It'll change the holes. It'll be more packed in, I guess you want to say. Probably look a lot neater. I just happen to do this on a spirit of moment type thing, so that's what I have is the 5.5, and I'm using Canon Soft, I guess that's how you pronounce it, for the yarn itself. Okay, again we're just doing a basic half double crochet, 3 of them in each stitch. I go ahead and I usually do a slip stitch right after I get done doing my last stitch. Okay, I go ahead and I just cut it to the length that I'm going to need as far as how I'm going to, of course, sew it onto the actual object. And in this tutorial, what I was doing is an actual unicorn hat. So that's what I was basically doing. Okay, I just try to unravel it a little bit to try to give it more of its shape. Just do the best you can. I basically took it probably about that far And oops, excuse me, knocked the camera. Then I just keep unraveling and untwisting it until I like the way it's presented. Okay, I love how some of it kind of twists a little bit, like how it looks real, more realistic, I guess you want to say. Otherwise, this is the basic flower. There's a nice pretty rose. I also did one, I don't know if I got to show you or not, but I did it in pink and in turquoise blue, which I like both of them. Alright, that's basically how you do a crocheted rose. Thank you so much for dropping by. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Alrighty, bye.